Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to share some amazing tips straight from Calikim, one of the best in the gardening world. If you're looking to master your garden, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about soil. Calikim always says, healthy soil equals healthy plants. To get your soil in tip-top shape, mix in organic compost. Compost not only enriches your soil with essential nutrients, but also improves drainage and aeration. Remember, your plants are only as good as the ground they're rooted in. Next, let's move on to seeds. Starting plants from seeds can be incredibly rewarding. Calikim suggests using heirloom seeds for their rich flavors and historic varieties. When planting seeds, make sure to follow the packet instructions for depth and spacing. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged to help those seeds germinate. Now let's tackle watering. Overwatering is a common mistake, and Calikim advises a deep watering approach. Water your plants thoroughly once or twice a week, ensuring the water reaches the root zone. This encourages the roots to grow deeper, making your plants more drought resistant. And remember, it's best to water early in the morning to minimize evaporation. Pruning is another essential skill. Calikim recommends pruning your plants to promote healthier growth and higher yields. Remove any dead or diseased branches and trim back any overgrowth. For fruiting plants like tomatoes and peppers, prune the lower leaves to improve air circulation and prevent disease. Let's not forget about pests. An organic garden can be a pest paradise, but Calikim has some great natural solutions. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, which prey on common pests. You can also make a homemade insecticidal soap by mixing water with a few drops of dish soap and neem oil. Spray this solution on affected plants to keep those pests at bay. Finally, let's talk about crop rotation. Calikim emphasizes the importance of rotating your crops each season. This practice helps prevent soil depletion and reduces pest and disease buildup. Group your plants into families and rotate them to different spots in your garden each year. And there you have it, folks. Some invaluable tips from Calikim to help you master your garden. With healthy soil, proper watering, smart pruning, and pest control, you'll be well on your way to a thriving garden. Don't forget to rotate your crops and keep experimenting with heirloom seeds. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Happy gardening! Catch you in the next video.